Hello and a very warm welcome to Pathashala Bulletin. I'm Anil Kumar, and in this podcast we are going to see some important current affairs of the day. New Quad Group to enhance regional connectivity. The US, Afghanistan, Pakistan and Uzbekistan have agreed in principle to establish a new quadrilateral diplomatic platform focusing on enhancing regional connectivity. Recognizing the historic opportunity to open flourishing inter-regional trade routes, the parties intend to cooperate to expand trade, build transit links and strengthen business-to-business ties. Afghanistan's strategic location has for a long time been touted as a competitive advantage for the country. Afghanistan is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan to the north and China to the northeast. The formation of the new Quad Group is important amid China's desire to extend its Belt Road Initiative to Afghanistan. The Belt Road Initiative, a multi-billion-dollar initiative launched by Chinese President Xi Jinping when he came to power in 2013, aims to link Southeast Asia, Central Asia, the Gulf region, Africa and Europe with a network of land and sea routes. By virtue of its location, Afghanistan can provide China with a strategic base to spread its influence across the world. Midday meals leave a long-lasting impact, says study. Girls who had access to the free lunches provided at the government schools had higher height-to-age ratio than those who did not, says a new study on the intergenerational benefits of India's midday meal scheme. The paper showed that by 2016, the prevalence of stunting was significantly lower in areas where the midday meal scheme was implemented in 2005. More than 1 in 3 children are stunted or too short for their age, which reflects chronic undernutrition. The fight against stunting has often focused on boosting nutrition for young children, but nutritionists have long argued that maternal health and well-being is the key to reduce stunting in their offspring. It found that the midday meal scheme was associated with 13 to 32% of India's improvement in the height-to-age scores between 2006 and 2016. The midday meal scheme was launched in 1995 to provide children in government schools with a free cooked meal with a minimum allergy content of 450 kilocalories. Live streaming of court proceedings is key, CJI. Formalizing live streaming of court proceedings is crucial for dissemination of information, which is a sacrosanct aspect of Article 19. Through such direct access, people can get first-hand information about the entire proceedings and opinions of the judges, leaving little room for any mischief. Recently, the Supreme Court has released the draft model rules for live streaming and recording of court proceedings. The rules are part of National Policy and Action Plan for Implementation of Information and Communication Technology in the Judiciary. The Supreme Court in Swapnil Tripathi vs. Supreme Court of India case 2018 had ruled in favor of opening up the apex court through live streaming. It held that live streaming proceedings are part of right to access justice under Article 21. Some of the key features of draft rules. All proceedings in high courts can be telecast except for cases relating to matrimonial disputes, gender-based violation, those involving minors. The final decision to allow the live streaming of the proceedings or any portion thereof will be of the bench. Court proceedings can be archived for 6 months. The rules also prohibit recording or sharing the telecast on media platforms including social media and messaging platforms unless authorized by court. AI tool developed to study cancer-causing mutations. Researchers at IIT Madras have developed an AI tool called NB Driver, Neighborhood Driver, for use in analyzing cancer-causing mutations in cells. The Indian Institute of Technology Madras researchers have formulated an artificial intelligence-based mathematical model. The AI algorithm will spot cancer-causing changes in cells. This algorithm studies DNA structures to characterize the genetic changes responsible for cancer progression, which are responsible for causing cancer. Using simple AI techniques, the researchers developed a new prediction algorithm, NB Driver, and tested its performance on several open-source cancer mutation datasets. NB Driver or Neighborhood Driver is a tool used to differentiate between driver and passenger mutations using features derived from the neighborhood sequences of somatic mutations. Hiring activity saw uptick in most sectors in June, says report. With the gradual easing of lockdowns, overall hiring activity witnessed positive growth for more sectors in June. Hiring activity improved, suggesting a recovery for the non-tech sectors as well, based on newly added job listings during this month. While the IT sector had so far been hiring at a fast pace, June's data revealed that a lot of other sectors had started showing improvement in hiring activity. The data revealed that there had been a 21% improvement in hiring in the banking sector in June as compared with May. Key sectors like IT and BPO showed 18% growth each, and pharmaceutical sector logged 16.9% growth, while hiring demand in healthcare sector improved by 20%. Other sectors like insurance, retail, education, and FMCG also showed a progress of 12%, 5%, 12.1%, and 16% respectively. And with this, it's a wrap of the podcast for the day. Bye for now.